I'm Michelle McCarthy with SDS2, and I'm going to talk to you about how we can eliminate your detailing bottleneck with SDS2. SDS2 has some unique ways that we can help you eliminate your detailing bottleneck. First off, our automated connection design. As you build the steel structure in your 3D model, connections are automatically designed based on framing condition and checking for erectability during that process. That eliminates the time that you have to spend individually checking each connection to make sure if it works. We'll design those connections complete with design calculations that you can check to verify our work. Secondly, our automated drawing routines will take the 3D model and create your shop drawings from it with the click of the button. Those automated drawing routines will eliminate the time that it takes for you to create those shop drawings. A lot of our setup options can address certain standards in the industry based on your location. We have created a revolutionary new technology called customized detailing templates. With this, you can provide your own shop drawings, cleaned up, and give them to us, and we will teach SDS2 to detail the way you do, almost entirely eliminating your cleanup. Our customers who have done this have experienced a 60% savings on drawing cleanup time. Third, with SDS2 detailing, we work in a way that no other detailing software does. We have a live multi-user environment, and that means that you don't have to save a model down from the master to your individual computer, complete your work, and save it back up. Everyone works live in the model at the same time. So as a column or a beam goes in, you will see it if another user is placing it in the model. The value of that is that you can change the way you detail on a multi-user project. Instead of separating out work areas to certain sequences or zones, you can employ an assembly line method, meaning you can put your best modelers working on some of the more complicated things where you have some other detailers maybe working on adding connections or putting in miscellaneous steel. And you can work around the building in the same areas and not cause any problems, and you don't have the problem of whoever saves last wins. And that's real value.